My number one tip for brand new Airbnb hosts is to not get a property for Airbnb during slow season. The reason for that is that your property is going to stay empty because there's not going to be any tourists during slow season. For example, in New York City, I never got new Airbnbs during January or February because there are no tourists who visit New York City during that time. That is our slowest season where there's no money and the hotels are also empty during that time. What I would suggest for you to do is get your property during shoulder season, which is a season that comes right before busy season. In New York City, our shoulder season is the end of March, beginning of April. And in May or the end of April, lots of tourists would start coming, and then I would get all the money bags. But during shoulder season, the good thing is you can get used to the business without being overwhelmed. You can get a feeling of what it's like to have a business, and you will still get a little bit of bookings during shoulder season. How do you find out whether it's slow or busy during your destination? Check out the tourism board or AirDNA, and you will find out every destination is different. For example, New York City's slow season is January and February, but yet Florida and Miami's busy season is January and February. So you would only know that by doing your research. If this tip has been helpful to you, please check out my free masterclass on where I teach you on how to stay booked and busy on Airbnb, and also follow me for more tips on how to start a successful Airbnb business.